Hi everyone. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to hide related videos in YouTube embeds. So how to turn this into this. When you embed YouTube videos on your website, related videos will appear when you pause a video. They can take away your audience's focus and even lead them away from your site. But with CleanVid, you can remove these distractions and keep your audience focused on your content. It enhances user experience by removing distracting elements like the title, YouTube logo, and related videos. This means better focus on your content and reduced chances of losing visitors. Let me show you how easy it is to use CleanVid. First, go to cleanvid.io and create an account. Once you're logged in, add the domain of your website. Next, you'll get a script. Copy this script and paste it into the HTML of your website where you embedded the YouTube video. Save the changes and check your site again. That's it. Try CleanVid for free and see the difference for yourself. For more information and if you have any questions, go to cleanvid.io.